Here I have Huawei MatePad 11.5, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button. So you can't really find here any button, so you have to go to settings, then you should go to battery, and here you can enable power saving mode. You can also manage battery settings, so you can't really switch any settings of this mode, you can only enable or disable it here, and yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.